So with this model of calculator, the first thing we need to do is get our table of data into the calculator. So to do that, we just need to turn it on, and then we need this, we need to click the mode, and we need to put it into stat mode. So number 2, stat mode. And then what we're looking to do is use number 2 here where it says a plus bx, because that's the type of equation of our regression line we're looking for. So number 2, and then we get our table. So all we need to do now is put in our table of values. The easiest thing to do here is probably just to go through and put in our x values first. So every value we put in, we can just press equals. So 10, 18, 30. And I'm just going through and putting in our values of x, okay? Once I've put in all those values, the easiest thing to do is then use your cursor and go back to the top. Okay, pressed it once too many times, but go back to the top and then put in your y values. Now, when you do this, you must make sure that you're putting in the correct pairs, otherwise you'll just get completely the wrong answer. So next to 10, 17. Next to 18, 25. And you'll notice, again, all I'm doing as I type in each value is I'm just pressing equals to input that value. So the final values, 42, 55, and 52. And I've put in now my 8 pairs of values. So what I need to do now is press AC. It might seem the wrong thing to do, but we press AC. And then we can press Shift 1, and that takes us to that stat mode, which it says above the 1. So Shift 1, and then it's number 5, because 5 says REG, so that stands for regression. So number 5, and now you see we've got some options. Number 3R was what we used last week. That is the product moment correlation coefficient, but we want these values A and B. So if we press 1 for A and then equals, it tells us that A is this value here. Now we're going to round our values. So to 2 decimal places, we can write down that A is 5.28. Now to get to B, we need to do Shift 1, go back to number 5, regression, and then number 2, B. And we must then press equals. You notice that A, the value is still there, so press equals, and it gives us our value of B. So B, to 2 decimal places, we would have to put 0.80 because the next number is a 4, so it doesn't round up, so 0.80. So what we can do now is actually write down the equation. The equation is y equals A plus bx, and that is the equation of our regression line, okay?